Hello, Grizzlies. I'm Superintendent Dr. Alena Zachery Ross. Thank you so much for joining me today as I share important updates on the incredible progress we're making across the entire district together. Your partnership makes all of this possible, and I'm grateful for the support that continues to move our district forward. First of all, I'd like to tell you about our CTE programs. Thank you. Thank you so much for all of your support to pass the CTE millage. It is a very exciting time for our scholars. Career and technical education programs help scholars understand the why behind what they learn from pre-K through 12th grade. These programs open doors to college and career opportunities by engaging scholars through hands-on, applied, and experiential learning. Along the way, our scholars get to explore their interests, discover what they enjoy, and earn valuable credentials while still in school. Some of our district CTE programs include automotive tech collision repair, cosmetology, culinary arts, drone and aviation tech. And we encourage every single scholar to explore their passion and consider our CTE programs as a pathway toward a fulfilling and successful future. Thank you again for your support. We also are excited about our multilingual school progress. We proudly opened the doors to Puentes Multilingual School this fall, and we've already seen amazing progress. Scholars are developing valuable bilingual skills by immersing themselves in our dual language program. And our staff, oh my goodness, they're exceeding expectations. It's been a privilege to watch this learning environment come to life, and I look forward to its continued growth. See, the progress over the first few months of school has been outstanding. This past quarter has been a time of positive momentum. From introducing new programs to our special homecoming events, and celebrations such as National Principals Month and National Hispanic Heritage Month. I'm proud to see our scholars learning and growing in so many meaningful ways. We've had wonderful STEM programs right here at YCS. See, we prioritize transforming education and inspiring innovation through specialized learning experiences rooted in STEAM. By integrating programs focusing on science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, we give our scholars opportunities to explore core STEAM concepts through hands-on learning. Our STEAM programs are offered at Ford STEAM Early Learning Center, Holmes STEAM Elementary, Ypsilanti Community Middle School, and Ypsilanti Community High School. These programs prepare our scholars for future academic success, and it allows them to think critically and collaborate effectively, all while igniting curiosity and fostering love for exploration and discovery. To learn more about our STEAM offerings, please visit our website. Our district strategic plan. I'm pleased to share that our 5-year strategic plan is finalized, and we've begun implementing it across our district. I encourage you, every single one of you, to use the plan as a guide to follow our progress and growth in the months and years ahead. Our vision remains clear: a future where every scholar thrives academically and personally with a trusted and socially just district. I want to thank you, all of our teachers, all of our staff, and our community members who contributed their insights to shape this roadmap and develop key points. We look forward to sharing the full plan with each one of you on our website, all day, every day. Yes, that's what you've been hearing about. I want to emphasize the importance of attending school all day, every day. Consistent attendance and engagement is essential to every scholar's growth and long-term success. Your ongoing encouragement and involvement make a tremendous difference in helping our scholars feel supported and motivated to succeed in classroom and beyond. Thank you for saying yes to YCS and supporting this initiative of all day, every day. Say yes to YCS. Food assistance and resources. This continuing situation with food benefits saddens us as we continue to closely monitor the effects of the recently ended federal government shutdown on our community. Please know that we understand the seriousness of this situation, and our schools are committed to supporting the well-being of our scholars and families during this uncertainty. We encourage families who may require immediate or supplemental food assistance to utilize existing community resources. If your family would like assistance finding the right program, please contact your scholar's building principal. We support all our families during this time of uncertainty. We are thankful for all of our scholars, staff, families, and community. During this season, I'm especially thankful for each of you who shares and works towards our shared vision of excellence. Each day, I'm inspired by the spirit of collaboration and passion for learning, and I know that together, we continue to create learning environments where everyone feels valued, seen, and heard. So I want to thank all of you for your continued partnership and support. We know that we are stronger today, stronger tomorrow, and stronger together, which is why I'm confident that we will continue to build on the success and growth that we've achieved this year. So don't forget to say yes to YCS. Go Grizzlies and happy holidays.